Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be comparing the two top tier wireless earbuds, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and the Sony WF-1000XM5. So without further delay, let's just find out which one is the better for you. So if we talk about the design and comfort, so the Galaxy Bud 3 Pro are compact and lightweight, designed for a snug fit, making them comfortable for long listening sessions. Sony WF-1000XM5 are slightly lighter but offer excellent comfort with customizable ear tips and that help create a secure fit. If I talk about the sound quality, so the Sony WF-1000XM5 excels in sound quality, delivering rich, detailed audio with deep bass and clear highs. The Sams the Galaxy Bud 3 Pro also offers great sound, especially with Samsung devices, but Sony's superior audio tuning gives the WF-1000X M5 an edge. If I talk about the noise cancellation, so both the earbuds feature active noise cancellation, but the Sony is widely regarded as one of the best in the market, offering exceptional noise blocking. The Galaxy Bud 3 Pro also provides effective ANC, but it's not quite as powerful as Sony's. Now we have to find the best battery life in both of these. So the Galaxy Bud 3 offers around 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, with the case providing additional charge. So the Sony WF-1000X M5 slightly edge out with about 8.5 hours of playback with ANC on, and even with vanities off plus extra charge from the case. So let's talk about some of the special features. So the Galaxy Bud 3 integrates seamlessly with Samsung devices, offering features like 360 audio and audio switch. The Sony WF-1000X M5 support advanced features like adaptive sound control, customizable EQ, and superior integration with both Android and iOS devices. So next we have the comparison between the pricing of both of these. So the Galaxy Bud 3 integrate so the Galaxy Bud 3 is generally more affordable, making it a great value for those in the Samsung ecosystem. The Sony WF-1000 XM5, while more expensive, justifies its price with superior sound quality, noise cancellation, and feature set. So in the end, you can choose the Sony WF-1000X M5 if you want the better sound quality, top tier noise cancellation, and advanced features. But if you are looking for a great value and are in the Samsung ecosystem, the Galaxy Bud 3 is an excellent choice. So thank you so much for watching.